Are you an outstanding student?
Do you want to be challenged?
The Master Honors Program of the University of Twente
offers outstanding and motivated students an opportunity
To challenge themselves.
both academically and socially.
Together with a multidisciplinary group of students,
You can participate in a track
that combines either technology, engineering, or leadership skills.
to solve very complex problems for society.
I think a lot of students at the University of Twente do have big plans, but they may not know how to realize those plans.
This course actually prepares the managers of tomorrow.
You will develop skills that will help you to excel in your personal and professional life.
So I think it's a really good opportunity to work on the things that you care about.
You experience things, you feel things, you learn with your heart, so to speak.
diverse group and a lot of backgrounds, a lot of nationalities, cultures and studies. It helps to be open-minded.
It helps you think a bit outside of the box.
As well as a huge network to be part of. So the program is a challenging and fun journey to develop your knowledge, your skills, and your gut to really create change in the future.